that. Come on, Miss Blinga. You know the boss.
Okay, hold on there, because this can't real. So,
You never hear she talk for a long time she talk from when me dey on the live with she pretty down.
but if the rapper want you to let go Maka Diamond, so she can help you. Let go Maka Diamond so the rapper can help you.
No, so me not do that. The one Maka no do me no Maka my friend, me not do it, I'm a friend. Me not do that.
Oh, so,
Miss Blinga, if Miss Blinga, alright, me and your friend right now, and somebody come here have million money, because me run to the rapper and go and leave you and leave you. No, me not do that.
well, I saw some people staying and say, Wagwan, you blind?
Me can't do that. Me not do that, Miss Blinga. Me say me and your friend, Miss Blinga, me not run left you.
But me have a problem, Derrick. Me have a problem. I want to know, how comes you think say Maka the rapper talk? Why would you say is Maka? Did she say Maka?
Miss Blinga, everybody know me, I tell everybody know, and she alone, and me alone, no, but everybody know that. Oh, you know, hear this story, I've a long time something that.
Whew, Jesus, I'm tired. Me have a problem when time when me not hear the name call and them something there.
How long that talk? When it's on me and me up on the live.
Yes, but the rapper never say if you don't let go Maka Diamond.
But everybody know she and everybody know she Miss Blinga.
But you know, say people mix up too, right? It can be anybody else. It can be someone else. It not must have to be Maka. But if you say Maka, then fine.
Yeah. We move along, because some of them they love honors mix up. I see them a comment on it, I mean I look on them.
So you say you're not Lego Maka Diamond, are you G?
Yeah, my friend.
Okay. Why Derrick you loyal to Maka though? That's nice.
Yeah.
You see it? This a loyalty. When you see how Derrick loyal, when you see how Derrick loyal, that's what you call loyalty. If you never know, several roses chat. The man says him not let go him friend.
No come like me, I friend, I would quarrel, we talk back. Me not look upon them.
Come chat and push up his score.
Mommy, I play my chum chat. Me plan for me, I play back my birthday.
And when are your birthday?
June, the 14th of June.
Enter you ready, man. Enter you ready. Just build flyer.
And she knows, me think she like cussing now, and she come on, me I'm gonna do it, but me not say she do nothing.
Who?
Rosealee.
When Rosealee reached out to me, I did busy, so I tell her, say me come back to her later. So we did have the case go on with the Pretty Dan case, cause one case out there, no Derrick.
Me see it. I want this girl with the shop business, me see it.
Lord Jesus, we have new thank you guys. We have new findings now. We have new findings today in the case. But Girly Brown I tell me the other day, say, oh, she now go argue with you no more and she done with you and so me I say chosen tongues. No, but me just have to tell you what the people them I say. So if you see Girly Brown as shoot for you now, at true because she said she done. She said Miss Bling, me done argue with Derrick. Me now argue with him again. And so try to see if she tell the truth. So when you see she come over there and shoot, don't feel nowhere. Chosen, thank you. Thank you so much, Maureen, Dubs, Shani, Troy, Official, Stacy, and the rest. So all right. So Derrick, later.
Yeah, Miss Bling, remember you say I promised something, remember you say I promised something. When I come, we'll link up.
Yeah, me I buy the 2 pants and the 2 shirts, no worry. Alright?
You tell me, we can meet up, over Saturday, over the plaza. A nice place over there, you know.
Me no know, me no know Jamaican no more. Me left a long time, so my friend I go carry me around the place.
So we can go on the North Course, you don't look on the North Course.
No business me I go for do. Me now come spend no Derrick, me I go do business in the summer. Me I go for vacation like me bring my kids them.
Oh.
Yeah. All right, big up yourself. Don't worry, you can depend upon me with the shirt and the pants. Don't worry.
God bless you, Miss Blinga. God bless you.
Yeah, man. Don't worry yourself.
And if she come, you talk to her about it. And you see her say,
Who that?
Rosealee.
Me gonna see you, summer.
You go down there?
Summer.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.